everyone. Today we are working on the last part of lesson 1.4, which is all about the plural form of the regular nouns. Today we are working on part 3. But before we start our lesson part 3, let us work on and review our previous rules. So remember, we have learned 4 different rules about changing the nouns, singular nouns to plural nouns of regular form. Number 1, most nouns form their plural by just adding s, such as apple to apples, water bottle to water bottles, picture frame to picture frames. On the other hand, nouns ending in s, sh, ch, x, or z form their plural by adding es, such as church to churches, paintbrush to paintbrushes, and many more. Nouns ending in y follow 2 rules. If the nouns ends with vowel plus y, just simply add s. But if the nouns ending in y is preceded by consonant, remember to change y to I and add es. And lastly, we have also learned about nouns ending in F or FE. There are 3 rules under this rule 4. A. Most nouns ending in F or FE form their plural form by changing to VES. Example is wife to wives, thief to thieves, wolf to wolves. Still, some nouns ending in F or FE form their plural noun by just adding S. Like, for example, is safe to safes, cliff to cliffs, and many more. Lastly, letter C, some nouns ending in F or FE form their plural noun by adding either the S form or changing it to VES, like dwarf to dwarfs, half to halves, and scarf to scarves. Today, let us focus on rule number 5. Rule number 5 focuses on words ending with letter O. Rule number 5A is that some words ending in O and most musical related nouns ending in O form their plural form by adding S. Examples of these words are the following: kangaroos, radios, igloos, pianos, and sopranos. So, as we can see, piano and sopranos are words or musical terms. So, even though these are N and O or a consonant plus O, but since it is a musical term, remember we just add S. But those ending in vowel, like kangaroo, O, just simply add S. Radio, I is a vowel, and igloo also O is a vowel, so hence all you have to do is to just simply add S. Here are some other examples of words that ends with O. We have cameo, folio, kangaroo, patio, portfolio, radio, cameo, studio, tattoo, video, zoo. And for musical terms, we also have cello, piano, radio, solo, and duo. Let's talk about Rule 5B. Nouns ending in consonant plus O just add S. Some words that ends with consonant plus O are the following. We have tomato to tomatoes, potato to potatoes, torpedo to torpedoes, hero to heroes, and banjo to banjos. Remember, when O here, O is followed or preceded by a consonant letter, remember to add E and then S. Sometimes Rule 5C says that there are special nouns that are ending in O. These special nouns form their plural form by just adding ES or S. So it could be either of the two. Some examples of these words are the following: avocados to avocados, buffaloes to buffaloes, mango to mangoes, mosquitoes to mosquitoes, and volcano to volcanoes. We also have domino to dominos, halos to halos, hobos to hobos, tornado to tornadoes, and cargo to cargos. Let's look at some other words that you can either add S or ES. So we have the word desperados. We also have the word innuendos, mementos, moros, nos, and zeros. So again, when you see these words, you can form its plural form by adding S or ES. Now, these are some other special nouns. These special nouns ending in O just simply add S, like armadillo to armadillos, auto to autos, bravo to bravos, bronco to broncos, casino to casinos, gazebo to gazebos, kilo to kilos, kimono to kimonos, logo to logos, memo to memos, poncho to ponchos, photo to photos, pro to pros, sombrero to sombreros, taco to tacos, memo to memos, torso to torsos, and tobacco to tobaccos. Now that we are done studying all the 5 rules, the basic rules about changing singular nouns to plural nouns, let us now identify and write what is the plural form of the following nouns. The first word is the word blemish. What is the plural of the form blemish? The correct answer is blemishes. Next, number 2, monkey. The plural form of monkey is monkeys. Next number, housewife. Housewife. The correct form of housewife is housewives. Now that you were able to identify all the examples, let us try. Okay, prepare your whiteboard and your marker and let us work on this activity. If you are ready, let's get started. Crutch. The plural form of crutch is crutches. Second, potato. The plural form of potato is potatoes. ES. Next, number 3 is golf. The plural form of golf is golfs. Next word is bookshelf. Bookshelf. The plural form of bookshelf is bookshelves. Next, number 5 is dwarf. Dwarf. The plural form of dwarf could be dwarfs S or dwarves VES. Next is the word avocado. The plural form of the word avocado is avocado S or avocado ES. Next, number 7 is studio. The plural form of the word studio is S only because this is vowel plus O. Next word is handcuff. The plural of handcuff is handcuffs with S. Number 9 is lorry. The plural form of lorry is lorries. Change Y to I and add ES. Lastly, number 10 is homeowner. What is the plural of homeowner? The plural of homeowner is just simply add S, homeowners. Were you able to get all the items correctly in activity 1? Very good. If not, we still have activity 2. This time in activity 2, all you have to do is to write the plural form of the following regular nouns. Once again, you are given 1 minute to work on this activity. Let us begin. All right, it's time for us to check our work for today. Number one, the word is wristwatch to wristwatches, blue jay to blue jays, kangaroo to kangaroos, knife to knives, hobby to hobbies, mangoes to S or ES, handkerchief to handkerchiefs, boy to boys, eyelash to eyelashes, birthday to birthdays, wish to wishes, tomato to tomatoes, counterpunch to counterpunches, lorry to lorries, housewife to housewives, fox to foxes, turkey to turkeys, portfolio to portfolios, igloo to igloos, and dwarf S or dwarves. Were you able to get all 20 items correctly? If yes, then this is an excellent work. So remember, class, in our lesson, we have discussed about what singular and plural nouns are. Remember, the singular nouns names only one person, place, things, animals, events, and ideas, but plural nouns, on the other hand, names more than one noun. We have also discussed five major rules about regular nouns. First is that most nouns form their plural by just simply adding s, but nouns ending in s, sh, ch, or xe form their plural by adding es. Nouns ending in y may change depending on if the word is preceded by a vowel plus y, add s. If it's consonant plus y, change y to I and add es. Nouns ending in F or FE may follow different rules. First, some may change to VES, some may just add S. Still, some may either do both. You can add S or change to do VES. The last rule is the nouns ending in O. Remember that ending in musical terms, or if the word is vowel plus O, just simply add S. If it's consonant plus O, just simply add ES. Yet there are still special nouns that may add S or ES or both. So with that, we are done with our lesson number 1.4 with our plural form of regular nouns rules number 1 to 5. I hope that you have learned a new lesson and that you may be able to use it when you are working on your written activities. I'll see you again on our next. Goodbye.